Greetings to all wizards in the world. Let me introduce myself. My name is Max the Wizard, and today I'll show you a couple of magic tricks, and for that I'll use new designs of our diamond painting kits. Here comes our first kit. Prepare to be amazed. This is how it looks like when it's done. Are you excited? Let's continue to do our magic. We will also show you the finished one. Last but not least, here comes our third magic trick. And this, what are you going to see when you finish it? Thank you, my dear wizards, that you were staying with us all that time. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. Happy holidays to all of you guys. I'll see you in the next year.